welcome back. In this video I'm gonna review to you the 1.1.4 update, and this update is in this description below. I mean AFK, I mean a hub. Okay, it's just the same. Okay, and I'm gonna review to you the skin and the bug fixes. Okay. This is the skin. And this is the skin too. This is the new skin. Okay. Now let's go into the bug fixes. Okay. This is a short video, guys. Okay. Thanks for watching. Can we get 5 likes in this video? Please like and subscribe in my videos. Okay. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.